remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
We would like to be the first ones to welcome you to Austin, where the local time is 12 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off, and keep the aisle clear of all items. Don't forget to check your surroundings to make sure you have all of your belongings like cell phones, tablets, and chargers. Once you step off the aircraft, you will not be allowed back on. We will be arriving at gate 35, and your baggage claim carousel is number 3. We know you have a choice in airlines, so whether you're staying in Austin or passing through, we thank you for choosing American Airlines to be part of your journey.